Good morning, students. Welcome to your computer class. And we are going to start chapter 1. And chapter 1 is computer languages. So, in this chapter, we will be discussing about languages of the computer. All right. So, this is your chapter, and you might or you all might have bought your books as well. Okay. So, you would have your books. So, this is the image of your first chapter. All right. So, I will be discussing this with you in classwork, and for homework there will be next slide. All right, so let's get started. Before getting started, here you can see here is given topic to discuss. All right, so which topics we are going to discuss here? We are going to discuss about computer languages. Okay, second is knowing about program. All right, so programming, a little bit about programming, computer languages, programmer and programming languages, low level language, high level language, and fourth generation languages. All right, so let's get started. We talk to each other through some language, all right, such as English, Hindi, Urdu, French, etc. Okay, so we always communicate with each other through some language. Okay, like I'm communicating with you right now in English language. All right, we commonly used Hindi language as well. All right, so, language is a means of communication. Okay, we communicate through language. It allows us to express our thoughts and emotions. Okay, so we can express our thoughts and emotions through language. In today's world, people constantly need to communicate with computers. Okay, so people nowadays communicate through computers. Okay, computer is simply a machine, it cannot do anything on its own. If we want to perform any action on the computer, it needs instructions accordingly. Okay, so computer is a machine, okay, and a machine cannot work on its own. It always needs someone else to perform the action, and then we give instructions to it, and then it performs actions. All right, since computer does not understand natural languages, it understand only specific languages which are developed. Okay, so computer does not understand natural language, like we just cannot give it a command. Okay, in English language or Hindi language, we have to communicate with computer in computer's language. All right, a computer language is a means by which instructions and data transit to computer. All right, so what is a computer language? It is a language, or it is a means, okay, by which instructions and datas are transit to computer. Okay, by which we give our instructions and data to the computer. Okay, computer understands instructions written in these languages, as these can be easily translated into a machine level language which a computer understands. Okay, so computers lang what okay, a computer understands instructions written in these language. Okay, the computer languages in the understands the instructions in the languages. Okay, these high level, low level languages, and then it is converted to machine level language. Okay, what is a machine level language? The language which computer understands. Okay, thus, computer language acts as an interface between a computer and a human being. So, computer language is very, what is an interface? Interface is a interlink. Okay, it connects two things together. So, it is an interface between a computer and human being. Okay, a program is a set of instruction which tells the computer what to do. So, what is a program? Program is a set of instructions. Okay, set of rules also, which tells the computer what to do. Programs are an integral part of a computer. Okay, programs are very important for computer. Computer will be useless if it has no program. Okay, computer program directs a computer how to process and execute data. So computer program gives direction to the computer about what to do and how to do it. Okay, a program is always well defined. It consists of variables and statements. Okay, so computer, a program consists of these two parts, that is variables and statements. A computer is written in some specific language called a programming language. Okay, so computer is written in a programming language. Okay, a person who writes a program is called a programmer. So someone who writes the program is called a programmer. To perform any task, programmer writes the set of instructions or programs in one of the many computer languages. So to perform any task, what does the programmer do? It gives the instructions to the computer. Okay, the process of writing specific instructions in a computer language is called programming. Okay, so this is programming. Programming with regard to computers is defined as a process of designing. What is programming? It is the process of designing, writing, testing, debugging, and documenting a program. Okay, so designing is giving design to the program. Okay, and writing, you might be aware about writing. Testing, everybody knows. What is debugging? Bug is an error. Okay, and debugging is removing an error. Okay, and documenting a program. Computer languages are divided into the following types that is, low level language, high level language, and fourth generation languages. So these are the three languages which we will be studying, and this will be continued in our next class. Okay, that's all for your classwork. What you have to do for your homework is answer the following questions. First of all, you have to define computer language. Okay, you can find it in your first page. I have already explained you what is a computer language is. And second question is write the different types of computer languages. Second thing is you have to write the different types of computer languages. Okay, so that's all for this class. Thank you and have a wonderful day.